got some fabric coming in from the port.
You need to make more space to keep that.
We're a little bit fucked, but the port can't release the goods during the rain.
Hi guys, I'm Express Transport.
There was like a wasp nest in there.
Oh wow. Good girl. Here we picked up the freight from A&J. This is the truck that I deliver in.
Yeah, so my agents told me, look, it's gonna come a little bit later.
He's my local customer, yeah? Thank you very much. We've done a marvellous job. Thank you, mate.
This is my dog, Budfy. I bring her to the factory. She loves to sit in this specific spot. If it's not here, it's there. If it's not there, it's there. There. And if it's not there, it's there. Or she comes under my desk. Okay, today there's like a lot of production stuff to do. Heating fabric, cutting fabric, getting stuff out. There's heaps of orders to get through, and it's also raining. Also got a shipment coming in. It's a bit of chaos at the moment, and I'm also down to staff. So let's see what happens. Hey, what's the situation looking like? Is there much more to print? This one was only 12, I think. Okay, for context, we've got the dryer on at the moment, but we also need to get some emergency orders out. So we're gonna print them, Muku's gonna print them super quick, and then gonna dry it super fast. Then we're gonna go straight to cutting.
So we've got enough printing to do, but then we had to stop the drying in between because we didn't have the designs ready. I'm doing them now, and we're just printing now. And yeah, then we should dry it in a few minutes.
Okay, so while that all happens, I'm gonna start cutting stuff immediately. So we've got something happening. So this tea towel has been designed and it's being made specifically for a boutique in Canberra. So if you're from Canberra, give us a shout out. Lately, I've been trying to increase my step count. So I've been doing like laps up and down the driveway, up and down to the road and back. And also when I'm in the factory, I just do pacing a lot now. Hey, so we got the extra printing done and a little bit of cutting is also happening in the background. I'm just waiting for this fabric to come out through its fully heat set, then we can go do some other stuff. Yeah, it's pretty fun doing this because I always see some new design that I haven't seen before. Like this one here, I've not seen this one. So it's actually been a really hectic few days lately. We've got some fabric coming in from the port, but the port can't release the goods during the rain. Apparently there's been some shit that's happened there. So my agents told me, look, it's gonna come a little bit later. But the trouble is the driver is gone to Newcastle and he might be on the way back, but God knows what happens. Everything sort of collapses in the rain. For some reason, rain seems to make everything a lot slower. So we're just gonna wait and see what happens. If the goods come today, they come today. If they don't, they don't. But hopefully they come today. Cool. Yeah, so when it's raining, I hate it, but it gets annoying. I only hate it because I can't walk up the drive if it's pelting down. But it's looking a bit clearer, so I might go for a little walk. Otherwise, I like to open the windows and air out the place. I like the fresh air. And that's the thing, when it rains, I just keep the windows closed. Otherwise, like, the water gets everywhere, and I hate that. And I think my dog hates it even more. Hey, puppy, puppy. She don't care. Bit of an update. So it is like past 6 o'clock. There is a fuckload of orders to get out. We're staying back late. It is raining outside, and it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a long night. Oh, and one more thing, I can tell that my dog is getting bored because she's following me everywhere I go. Oh my god, it is bucketing down so much today. This is insane. Like, the rain is intense. It's so intense, there's water dripping through the doors here. See, it's coming out of there. And all this water here is like seeping through under the door. And look who's come to say hello. Wait. She's a good girl. She's so spoiled. She has her own bed here. Wait. It's been a long day. It's like 7. It's like past 7. Just working at this. So bored. Like, kind of need a change. I need to do something fun once in a while. Okay, the truck is here, so I'm gonna move my car. So the shipment is arrived. I'm gonna unload everything. Cool, so I'm just making my lunch, and then the truck has arrived.
You want me to move up in the time or you're right? You have to move forward a bit now. I'm done. Forward. Okay. How are you?
Good. How's it? An update. What's happened today?
Hi guys, I'm Express Transport. I work for our friend here. We picked up the freight from A&J depot from Botany, coming to Arcadia, and we do an exchange here. This is the truck that I deliver in, and they're the pallets, the rolls, the fabrics coming from the shipment from Botany. Yeah, that's about it, eh?
Perfect.
And yeah, so he's my local customer, yeah? He's the forklift operator and I'm the truck operator. That's my truck. These straps that we strap the pallets with, roll them up and put them in the toolbox. And yeah,
Okay, now we gotta check if there's actually space to store this. Probably we should have checked it earlier, but now it's a problem.
No, I don't think we've got enough space. We need to make more space to keep that.
Yeah, it doesn't look like we have much space, so we're a little bit fucked.
Thank you very much. We've done a marvelous job. That's it. We've got a few more pallets and we're done. Thank you, mate. Where?
I can't see them now. They must have died. There was like a wasp nest in there.
Oh wow.
There was like 4. There was like 3 on this side, 3 on the other side.
Maybe you need to get the hose and wash it. I think maybe.
Yeah,
No.
maybe.
I just sprayed them.
Last one, then we're done.